So, have you heard of MSC Cruises? It's one of the hottest cruise lines leaving the port of Miami these days, and their entertainment on board is unlike anything afloat. And yes, it has the international flair you are looking for, with high-quality opera, renowned Cirque du Soleil performances, and Broadway caliber shows every night. I'm Bill Panoff, and you are watching Cruise Control. You know, I used to be a magician. I used to be able to take a quarter, hold it in my hand, and suddenly it would vanish like magic. Or this one, for example, watch, watch, watch. You know, sometimes it seems like Cirque du Soleil performers are actually performing magic. MSC Cruises has an exclusive 10-year partnership with the famous French-Canadian circus, and there are 8 shows performed exclusively across Meraviglia-class ships. You won't find these shows performed anywhere else at sea. And the new Meraviglia ships have a theater specifically designed for action-packed Cirque du Soleil shows. Performers in colorful costumes jump, twirl, twist, and fly around the stage. It's really awesome. Cirque du Soleil wows audiences with high-flying stunts and incredible feats of strength and balance, performed by highly trained artists. And the shows are high energy and perfect for the whole family. I just don't know how they do it. Now, Cirque du Soleil isn't the only onboard entertainment MSC offers. Their shows feature popular music and choreography, ranging from contemporary artists to timeless legends like Frank Sinatra, unless of course the king of pop is more your style. Yes, there's a show for Michael Jackson fans too. The most popular shows include classically trained opera singers, live bands, fantastic dance styles, magicians, and so much more. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below if you have sailed on MSC before. We want to know which show you like the best. I'm Bill Panoff, and don't forget to subscribe below to Cruise Control. Until next time, happy sailing.